Good morning, team. SW Solar emerges as a successful bidder for work of solar PV project worth 2,100 crores. It will be 3 years maintenance also. 4 blocks of 300 megawatt AC. So this is something positive for SW Solar. And Radico Ketan has unveiled Sangam Old Malt Whiskey at Povrane 2023. So they say this whiskey will be sold in USA, EU, European Union, UK, Singapore, Australia, starting April 2023. Easy My Trip completes 2 years of listing, presents a bounty of discounts on flights and hotel and buses. So this notification I posted in the Telegram channel. So you can look at it. Maybe if you get some discount, that is very good. Krishna Diagnostic has been qualified as a L1 bidder for 450 crores by National Health Mission, Rajasthan, to provide free diagnostic initiative on hub and spoke model. It is slightly positive for Krishna Diagnostic. RBI letter dated 28 March 2023 imposed penalty on RBL Bank for 2 crore and 27 lakh. It is regarding recovery agent by the bank, and other provision is internal some scheme of 2018, which I am not clear about. For this, they have penalized. Already, we have a negative view on RBL, but the penalty, even City Union Bank has got 2-3 penalty, after which the stock performance has been very bad. So it is safer to avoid RBL Bank. Crude oil has almost made 15 months low. Brent was almost near $70. It has recovered in the late night. And WTI is 65 per barrel. So this is slightly positive for OMCs, gas companies. We like GAIL, IGL, MGL, Petronet, GSPL, and Gujarat Gas in this thing. But we need to understand from lower levels, there was some recovery yesterday. India power sector owes coal mining PSUs 20,347 crores. And Coal India said in one statement that they are likely to hike prices after discussion with the stakeholder. CMD Pramod Agarwal has said, and he said after 2018, there has been no price hike. But now as salary levels have been hiked after 5 years, price hike has to be taken. So this is positive for Coal India, where their production capacity also increases. Paras Defense and Space Technology, and they have bagged the order of 64 crores for avionics suits for Saras Mk2 aircraft from Council of Scientific Industries and Research, CSIR, which is very positive. And they yesterday's Paras Defense management was there in the media. They were talking about a tie-up with a company which they feel can lead to a lot of new age technologies, and they were very proud of it. So I think Paras Defense can be something watched out for. Aviation Minister Jyoti Rajit Scindia said India will have a fleet of 2,000 jets in next 5 to 7 years. To increase, the government is also planning to increase flying schools to 50 so that you can train enough pilot. Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina has offered India the use of Chattogram and Shale ports in order to emphasize importance of improving regional connectivity for trade and commerce. These statements come after Prime Minister Modi and Bangladesh Prime Minister opened a gas pipeline which is fully funded by India to supply diesel. It is a gas and petroleum pipeline. So we will be supplying diesel through pipeline, which is saving a huge cost for Bangladesh, and it is funded fully by India. So after which, they want, Northeast doesn't have a sea connectivity. So Bangladesh will provide. So that will increase export opportunity from Northeast. Very positive if that happens. February aviation data, domestic airline traffic up 51.3% year-on-year basis. But month-on-month basis, it is down by 3.3%. Almost 1 crore 21 lakh people were flying in February month. Indigo had a market share of 55.9%, SpiceJet 7.1%, Vistara 8.7%, Air India 8.9%. Dynamic Tech has raised about 112 crores by preferential allotment of shares. They have given to three important long-term investors, and the placement was at 2,509 rupees. Uno Minda consolidate to consolidate four-wheel alloy business by acquiring Kosei's stake in joint venture in India. The total value that will be paid to the two joint ventures will be 71 crores, and the operations business operation will start from 1st of April. Over to you, Hitendra.
Yeah. Yeah, thank you sir. Good morning everyone. हम इस कॉल को एक बार हिंदी में करने को स्टार्ट करते हैं। महिंद्रा ने कहा कि उन्होंने एक्वायर किया मित्रा एग्रो इक्विपमेंट, जो कि उनकी फार्म बेस्ड है, जो कि वीसी फॉर्म ओमनीवो एक अनडिस्क्लोज अमाउंट पे किया है। महिंद्रा ने उसमें स्टेक बढ़ा दी 100% में, जो कि करंटली 47% है। अब महिंद्रा चाहती है कि वो फार्म मशीनरी सेगमेंट में जो बिजनेस है 10 फोल्ड बढ़ाया जाए जो अगले 5 साल में, और इसमें एडिशनल शेयर परचेज जो कि महिंद्रा की ग्रोथ और एक्सपेंशन में एडिशनली हेल्प करेगा। सो महिंद्रा जो प्लान इसमें एक्सेलरेट करना चाहता है अपना प्रोडक्ट पोर्टफोलियो पूरे इंडिया में और ओवरसीज मार्केट्स में। सेकेंड न्यूज है डॉक्टर रेड्डीज के लिए। पोया थेरापेटिक्स ने एक स्टेटमेंट में अनाउंस किया कि डॉक्टर रेड्डीज लैब ने इन्हें लाइसेंस दिया गया है प्रपोज अबाटासेट बायोसिमिलर के लिए, जो कि डेवलपमेंट किया गया पोया में। कॉम्बिनेशन प्रोडक्ट रहेगा बेसिकली न्यूरोडीजेनरेटिव डिजीज के लिए पोया 30। SW सोलर के लिए भी न्यूज है, वो एक सक्सेसफुल बिडर बने हैं, L1 बिडर है। 4 ब्लॉक्स 300 मेगावाट का ईच रहेगा। ये 1200 मेगावाट का सोलर पीवी प्रोजेक्ट है। NTPC रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी एट हावड़ा रिन्यूएबल पार्क में रन ऑफ फर्स्ट में टोटल बिड वैल्यू देखी जाए तो 2100 करोड़ के आसपास की। इसमें मेंटेनेंस और ऑपरेशन रहेगा अगले 3 साल तक का। जी कुमार इंफ्रा और AICP ने जीवी फॉर्म किया, जो लेटर ऑफ एक्सेप्टेंस मिला बैंगलोर BMRC से, बैंगलोर मेट्रो रेल कॉर्पोरेशन से। बेसिकली ये टोटल कॉस्ट ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन देखा जाए तो 182 करोड़ का है, और इसमें जी कुमार इंफ्रा का है शेयर देखा जाए तो 55 करोड़ का, जो कि 100 करोड़ के आसपास का, जो कि इनको फेज 2 प्रोजेक्ट को डेवलप करें। सेल के लिए भी कहा कि उनकी जो भिलाई स्टील प्लांट है वहां से उन्हें लाइसेंस मिल गया कि प्रोड्यूस करेंगे फुल रेंज ऑफ IS 790 वेल्ड स्टील वायर रॉड्स, जो यूज होती है ब्रिजेस और केबल्स बनाने में, और टायर एनफोर्समेंट मटेरियल के लिए BSP देखा जाए तो पोजिशन में रहेगी जहाँ पे वो हाई कार्बन वायर्स रॉड्स और वायर रॉड मैन्युफैक्चर कर सकते हैं। मैनेज करने के लिए न्यू ग्रेड्स जो है वो फुलफिल करेगा कस्टमर के डिमांड्स और न्यू एप्लीकेशन जैसे डेवलपमेंट और सप्लाई वैल्यू एडेड प्रोडक्ट्स कर सकता है, जो कि हायर नेट सेल्स इवेंचुअली। आलू वाले कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स को भी ऑर्डर मिला है कंस्ट्रक्शन कैंसर हॉस्पिटल के लिए, जो कि टाटा मेमोरियल सेंटर में रहेगा। प्रोजेक्ट साइज देखा जाए तो 723 करोड़ का है। ऑर्डर डेट इनको देखा जाए तो 41 बिलियन का अभी तक का है, जो कि हाईएस्ट एनुअल इन्फ्लो है। ओवरऑल के पॉजिटिव न्यूज है आलू वाले कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स के लिए। RBL बैंक के लिए नेगेटिव न्यूज है कि RBI ने उसके ऊपर इम्पोज किया है 2.25 करोड़ की पेनल्टी, बेसिकली फेलियर है, जो कि डेट रिकवरी एजेंट्स के लिए है, और ये रिसोर्ट के इंटीग्रेशन और हारेसमेंट जो उन्होंने किया है। रेडिको ने नई विस्की की ब्रांड लॉन्च की, संगम, जो कि ओल्ड मार्क है। बेसिकली ये यूरोप, USA, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, सिंगापुर जैसे कंट्रीज में सेल होगी अप्रैल 23 से। इस माई ट्रिप में भी 2 years हो गए लिस्टिंग के लिए भी अभी डिस्काउंट से अपने कस्टमर्स को, और इसकी जो टेलीग्राम पे हमने नोटिफिकेशन भी डाली गई है। कृष्णा लॉजिस्टिक भी L1 बिल्डर बने हैं 450 करोड़ के लिए नेशनल हेल्थ मिशन के लिए, जो कि फ्री डायग्नोस्टिक सेंटर, जो कि हब एंड स्पोक मॉडल में डेवलप करेंगे राजस्थान में। क्रूड ऑयल देखा जाए तो 15 महीने के लो पे है, $70 के आसपास का हमने कल एक लो देखा, वहां से थोड़ी सी रिकवरी आते हुए देखिए, बट WTI देखा जाए $65 के आसपास का है। क्रूड जितना नीचे जाएगा उतना हमारे लिए बेनिफिशियल रहेगा ओवरऑल एक्सपोर्ट्स के इंपोर्ट्स के हिसाब से भी, और सेकेंडली देखा जाए तो ओवरसीज के लिए बहुत ही बेनिफिशियल है, जैसे गेल, IHGL इनके लिए भी, और HPPT और IOC के लिए भी। इंडिया का पावर सेक्टर का अगर देखा जाए तो डेट 20,346 करोड़ का है, और कोल इंडिया ने कहा कि वे अपनी प्राइसेस भी हाइक करना चाहेंगे। सीएमडी उनकी जो प्रमोद अग्रवाल जी ने कहा कि जिस तरह वेजेस बढ़ गई है 5 साल के बाद, तो प्राइस हाइक भी होने लगती है। सो एक ओवरऑल बहुत पॉजिटिव न्यूज है कोल इंडिया के लिए। आरएस डिफेंस ने एक एवियोनिक सूट बनाया है, एवियोनिक्स को ऑर्डर बनाया सारस एयर से, जो कि 64 करोड़ का ऑर्डर सीएसआईआर से रहेगा। और ये की मैनेजमेंट के भी कल वो इंटरव्यू था, उन्होंने कहा कि भारत डिफेंस न्यू एज टेक्नोलॉजी में बहुत ही एग्रेसिवली इन्वेस्ट कर रहा है। सो एक स्टॉक हम लोग वॉच रखना चाहिए हमारे वास्ते। एविएशन मिनिस्टर ने कहा, और एविएशन के डिटेल्स भी यहाँ, एविएशन मिनिस्टर ने कहा कि जो फ्लीट साइज है करंटली अभी से हम 2000 एयरक्राफ्ट तक बढ़ा देंगे अगले 5 से 7 तक, और फ्लाइंग स्कूल भी हम उसे बढ़ा के 15 तक कर देंगे, ताकि एविएशन का जो स्कोप है सबको मिल सके। और एविएशन डेटा में देखा जाए तो डोमेस्टिक में ईयर ऑन ईयर में 51% का चल देखा गया, बट मंथ ऑन मंथ में देखा गया हमें 3.3% का फॉल। टोटल पैसेंजर ट्रेवल्स हुए 1.21 करोड़ के आसपास। और इसमें जो मार्केट शेयर अगेन इंडिगो लीडिंग है 56% के साथ, स्पाइसजेट 7% के साथ, विस्तारा 7.8% के साथ, और एयर इंडिया 8.9% के साथ। डायनामिक टेक्नोलॉजीज ने भी 100 करोड़ का प्रेफरेंशियल अलॉटमेंट किया है, और उन्होंने फंड रेज किया है 25 के शेयर के प्राइस के लिए। उन्होंने मिंडा ने भी अपनी कंसोलिडेट की है कंपनी को, उनकी जो 4 व्हीलर अलॉय है वो स्टेक उसमें बाय कर रहे हैं 71 करोड़। लास्ट अपडेट्स ये है, आरबीआई, हाँ, आरआईएल ओएनजीसी ने कहा कि जो विंडफॉल टैक्स क्रूड है वो उसे रिड्यूस कर दिया है 3500 के लिए, और उसे जो कि 4400 टर्न थे, और स्पेशल एडिशनल एक्साइज ड्यूटी जो कि डीजल पे हाइक कर दी 1 पर लीटर के लिए, जो कि 0.5 थी। लुपिन ने भी कहा कि कंपनी ने अलायंस पार्टनर किया कैपिटल सीरीज स्टडीज रिसीव जो फाइनल अप्रूवल मिल गया यूएस एफडी के लिए, जो कि थियामिन हाइड्रोक्लोरिक इंजेक्शन है और रोशनियम ब्रोमाइड इंजेक्शन के लिए। पीसीबीएल के लिए न्यूज है, कंपनी ने स्टार्ट किया उनका प्री कमीशनिंग ट्रायल रन, जो कि फर्स्ट फेज में रहेगा, 63 मेगावाट टन करेगा। टोटल 1,47,000 का ग्रीनफील्ड कार्बन ब्लैक का मैन्युफैक्चरिंग है, जो कि तमिलनाडु में, जो कि होली ओन सब्सिडरी है पीसीबीएल की।
Technical and derivatives outlook. So in yesterday's session, we saw that Nifty has again made a new low at 16,828, and then there was some bounce which took the Nifty at the close at 16,988 points. So we believe that since we are trading in a downtrend, there is a bounce, and we are placed in an extremely oversold zone. There is a trading bounce is expected. We maintain that 17,200, 17,300 will be the trading bounce. Only in the near term, if Nifty sustains and closes about 17,454, which is the 200-day moving average, then the reversal or change in trend will be seen. But then having said this, the immediate range is seen within the 17,500 to 16,500. So this 1,000 points remain the range for the Nifty for the next couple of trading sessions. Maybe for the 1 or 2 trading session, we are immediately we should be seeing some bounce for 17,200, 17,300 level, and immediate support will be 16,800. So this would be the trading levels for the Nifty. Looking at the Bank Nifty chart, Bank Nifty is consolidating in a range. So lower side 38,500 and higher side 39,900. So we are rounding up to 40,000. So this is the range for the Bank Nifty. We believe that whenever Bank Nifty trades above, or closes above 40,000 level, then there will be some positive momentum in the Bank Nifty, which will take it to 41,000, 41,100 level. On the lower side, 38,600 is the base for the Bank Nifty. We are for both the indices, we are having a positive bias for next 1 or 2 trading session. We are looking for a trading bounce. Coming to derivatives report, Nifty futures have witnessed a short build-up in yesterday's session to the tune of 6.28%, which is an increase in by 0.96 million share. The put call ratio has declined from 0.88 to 0.83. The major call additions were seen at 17,200 and 17,300 strike price. That will act as a resistance. And on the put front, 17,000 strike price. So that will act as a support. Coming to Bank Nifty has also witnessed short build up to the tune of 3.2%, which is an addition of 0.17 million shares. The put call PCR was down from 0.83 to 0.78%, adding to the weakness. The major call additions were seen in 39,500 strike price and then the 39,000 put option. So that will act as a support. So net, there is a slightly cautious view. We since directionally we have seen a breakdown, we are still maintaining a cautious view, and we'll have a check on the India VIX. So yesterday for the again it made a high of 17.22 and the close is at 16.01. So we will be extremely cautious. By any chance, if India VIX starts trading above 17, then there can be a further correction in the market. So we need to keep a track on that. And lastly, the FI data. So again, in yesterday's session, FIs in the index futures have gone short, close to 22,947 contract, and they are net short by 1,94,626 contract. And for the very first time in the last 3 years, this long short ratio has now come to 8.62. So they are only 8% long, 8.62% long. The rest of the positions are short in index futures. So their hedge. This is the hedge position what we look at. So with this, whenever this long short ratio has come in the range of 10 to 15, every time we are seeing a buying. So with this data also and with the FI data and our oversold charts define that there will be a trading boss. So we are betting on that. So we'll review it if market crosses 17,400 on the higher side. So till then, it's a range bound kind of a market with a cautious view. That was from mine. I'll hand over to Archana madam for more research updates. Thank you.
Thank you, Brijesh. Good morning, teams. A few updates from my side, starting with RBL Bank. The RBI has imposed a penalty of rupees 2.3 crore over the bank's failure to ensure that debt recovery agents engaged by it did not resort to intimidation or harassment of any kind. Though the penalty levied by the RBI is very small, I guess this is a sentimentally negative news on the company's front. On earlier contracts, the company has secured an order for construction of cancer hospital building for Tata Memorial Center in Mumbai. The project size is close to 723 crore. And till date, order inflow for FY23 stands at close to 110 crores, which is the highest annual inflow for the company. So this bodes well for execution going ahead, and we have buy rating on the stock with a target price of 650. On sale, Steel Authority of India Limited and Bhilai Steel Plant, which is BSP, has been given license to produce a full range of IS 7904 grade steel wire rods, which are used in bridge cables and tire reinforcement materials. BSP is now in a position to produce high carbon wire rods from its wire rod mill. And the management has mentioned that these new grades will fulfill customer demands and find newer applications and the development and supply of the value-added grades, which will fetch higher net sales realization. So that comes as a positive development on the sale front. On J Kumar Infra Projects, the J Kumar AICPL joint venture company has received letter of acceptance from the Bangalore Metro Rail Corporation for construction of airport depot for Bangalore Metro Rail project phase 2B. The total contract cost is close to 182 crore, and the share of J Kumar Infra in this is close to 55%, which is close to 100 crore. On Sterling and Wilson Renewable Energy, the company has emerged as the successful bidder for a package comprising of 4 blocks of 300 megawatts each in the proposed 1200 megawatt solar power project of NTPC Renewable Energy at Run of Kutch. The total bid value, including the operation and maintenance for 3 years, will be close to 2,100 crores. On Dr. Reddy's, the Koya Therapeutics in a statement announced a worldwide agreement with Dr. Reddy's lab to license the latter's proposed abatacept biosimilar for the development of the Koya's combination product for the neurodivergent disease Koya 302. So that comes as a positive development on Dr. Reddy's front. And lastly, Mahindra & Mahindra, the company has fully acquired Mitra Agro Equipments Private Limited from a VC firm called Omnivore for an undisclosed amount. Mahindra has increased its stake in Mitra to 100% from existing stake of 47.3%, and the company aims to grow its farm machinery business by 10-fold in next 5 years. The additional share purchase would aid the company's growth and expansion into the growing agriculture market. So that bodes well for the company's overall growth prospect going forward, and we have buy rating on the stock with the target price of 1600. So that's it from my side. Now I hand it over to Kshitija for further research updates. Thank you, over to Kshitija.
Thank you, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. Few updates from my side. So, Indian Oil Corporation and NTPC Green Energy, a wholly owned subsidiary of NTPC, will form a joint venture for setting up a new renewable energy power plant, which meet round the clock power requirement of a new projects of the former's refineries. The next update on OMCs, that Reliance ONGC and Oil India, windfall tax on crude petroleum has been reduced to rupees 3,500 ton from 4,400 ton, while additional excise duty on the diesel has been hiked to rupees 1 per liter from 0.5 a liter. So, stock to watch is Reliance ONGC and Oil India. The next update on Lupin, the company's alliance partner Kaplan Sterlite received final approval from the US FDA to market its thiamine hydrochloride injection USP and rochrominium bromide injection. The next update on PNC Infratrek, company received the notification of intention to award from Haryana Rail Infrastructure Development Corporation for design and construction of a civil works from New Pateli to Pateli and New Pateli to Sultanapur for quoted price is rupees around 771.46 crore. The next update on PCBL, company started pre-commissioning trial run for the first phase, 63,000 MT of 1,47,000 MT greenfield carbon black manufacturing facility in the state of Tamil Nadu by wholly owned subsidiary of PCBL TN Limited. Then last update on Tata Motors, the company has appointed Usha Sangwan as an additional director and independent director for 5 years from May 15, 2023 to May 14, 2028.